A new chapter begins for the people of Nayau as Ratu Tevita Uluilakeba Mara has been installed as Tui Nayau. Hundreds of people witnessed the ceremony in a church service that follows traditional ceremonies not seen in over decades. Ratu was there for the dawn ceremony and filed this report.
Dawn, the island and people of Nayau witnessed a moment of deep cultural and spiritual significance, the installation of their new chief, Tui Nayau Ratu Tevita Uluilakeba Mara. The day began in solemn reverence with villagers working tirelessly in the early hours to prepare for the sacred event. Women sat in respectful silence, a traditional symbol of honor for the incoming chief. At 6 a.m., a special church service was held, officiated by the president of the Methodist Church of Fiji, Reverend Dr. Semisi Turangabo.
Ni sabambau tena turambale na tuneu, ni numuni kalo. Kwa salumuti ke muni ka watamui ke muni na matangandendai esangani wayalala. Do bambau tena masi ni ponua waturanga ko na yau. Na kalo do sa tikin durukin na matangandendai esangani wayalala. Kwa lewana wai tui, kwa lewana bendalana, kwa lewana bekakadanga esangani wayarautaki nona kuku na kalo.
The new chief was adorned with the Sala Singer, a specially crafted ceremonial crown created exclusively for this installation. For many, the day brought memories of the past. 74-year-old Salesi Yanrava recalls the last Tui Nayau installation in 1969. She was only 12 at the time, tasked with helping prepare food for the late Ratu Tevita Mara, who went on to become Fiji's first Prime Minister.
Itundo talay makitulay kaumbuka. Sa singa mau kinas topu seda vai nanga namai. Me ke mai pagadium kin. Mam tulay kaumbuka ngoni. Me mai sora ki kinakuho. E wala sa chungai bona mai. Na tuni local chiku kina. Wakarau me kau kina walilin. Na wakarau ta ki bona mai ako konta me taudo.
The Tui Nayau is now on his way to Tumbo Lakemba, where he will be installed as the Saunibono Kolau and Tui Lau. Now, high-level dignitaries are also expected to attend the installation, which will be held on the 10th of July, this Thursday. This includes the King and Queen of the Kingdom of Tonga, the other high-level dignitaries from the Pacific Islands, including New Zealand, Maori Queen, as well as government officials and members of the diplomatic corps. Ratu, Fiji 1 News.